the markets. Yeah. If you want the price, I'll let you guys know. I was really cute when I saw it, and well, I was saying that the quality. I don't know, I just love it. Yeah. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? So follow me as I'm going to start packing. I'm about packing to Lagos on Wednesday. So I'm packing. Today is Sunday, so I'm trying to pack as much as I can because I wasn't planning for this. But yeah, and the news I said I wanted to get for you guys, I wanted to let you guys know is that I got house job in Lagos. Of course, I got house job in Lagos. Meta. So by the time I'm going to watch this video, I would have left already. Because like I don't think I'll be able to shoot more videos except for my daily vlog, but my normal official videos like this, the next time you see this video will be when I'm left to go to Lagos. So Oka people, don't miss me too much. Yeah, I know you guys have seen my pimples. Stay for another day, but right now let's pack, okay? As well, at least it's just chill, and it mustn't be always like, because I feel like this one is being packed and I'm the chiquito doctor. I'm not wearing this. So let's put this inside my bag. This right, I can't wait to try them on work. All the game against, like when I wore it was really nice. Like just look at it. The quality too is really nice too. When I went to go to sit with well, like so work. And this, you know me very well. I love pink pillows. It's one of my favorite fruits. I love pink pillows. So why not? White. I don't know why I look like something is yellow. This is like just still my nose. This one. I also got sneakers because for the longest time I've always wanted sneakers. Right? I can't really show you guys. I don't know why it's so but like yeah. When I got this, I've been wanting this shoe for the longest of time, but I did not have money. But this time I got it, so it's gonna be for work. So I'll put them here first. And then some what I bought. Girl, I don't think they look so. I don't even try this top to maybe even enter myself. Funny enough, that is very risky. Don't you think so? Guess what? One of the things I bought, I just realized that I didn't buy me. So I'm going to start trying this to see that the other and go, how is it not standing like this? Hey, okay, I bought this 4K. So yeah, I want this trouser. Oh, I gave Abuki my clothes, my shoes to fix because I couldn't buy new shoes because things are expensive, so that I can wear the ones I've been using in school and just dyed it. So I showed you the environment of where I went to meet the Abuki, and I went to meet the man that wrote my name on my scrub. This man gave me so much trouble, but that story for another day. So I wrote my name on my scrub. You guys will see me when I'm going to go for work with it. And yeah, I made my hair so that at least I'll look neat when I'm going to work, so that I'm looking like I'm going through a lot. I don't know if I ever told you guys that I started learning how to drive. So I'm on my way. I was taking a walk to my driving school. At least taking a walk makes you want to lose it. And I'm a big fan of losing weight. So I started to take a walk to where I'll show you guys a video when the time comes. Yeah, so that's the things I actually packed. It was quite a lot, but yeah. So even the bag was actually bad. So I had to tell my guy to fix it for me and sew it so I can manage. I cannot do anything about it. So yeah, that's just it. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's going to be a vlog of my movements from Oka to Lagos for house job. I made a new hair because you can see. So yes, I don't know if I like this hair style, to be honest. I don't like the color. I would have done black. I just said I wanted to try something something new, and then I'm not even loving it. But anyways, I hope it's not that bad, sha. So yes, tomorrow around 4:30, I'll be leaving to go to I'll be on my way to Lagos. I'll try and vlog as much. I'm not, if you know me so much, I love talking, like sit down with and talk. But all these vlogs, I'm on, and now I'm going to be going to a hospital that is quite nice. I got house job in FFCU Ebute Meta, so like the place is very very nice, like what I heard. So it's going to make me to be doing more vlogs. Plus, if I don't have much time, I'll just try and make vlogs, short video vlogs. But yeah, that's my aim. So yes, I just want to let you guys know that I'll be leaving tomorrow. So I'm going to take you guys along with a second video on my journey, what I'm going to do, the stress, the whatever. I'll let you guys know everything, okay? So just follow me along, alright? Sadly, the man didn't come by 4:30 like he said, and I had to wake up early. But so anyways, Risha actually left around, I think 8. I'm trying to show you my loads. I couldn't carry all my loads. Can you imagine? So like the driver is going to be carrying them one by one. I only had to carry my red box and some other few things. I was really sad. Yeah, I'm showing you guys the breed. Like the last time I passed it was when I was a very little girl. So it's just brought so much memories. The breed looks larger. I felt really good traveling. Like I felt so happy. I was like, wow, so I could leave this place called Anambra and go somewhere. Like it felt so real. So we stopped by at a place where where you will stop when you take a drop when you want to travel. Yeah, I was pressed, so I went to go and ease my place. Was kind of messy, but well, I was pressed. What can I do about it? There are nothing. So I said to buy food because I was hungry, and the food here was expensive. On just one small rice, not 2,000, so I'll be 2,500. I'll be waiting. It's one very chocolate meat like that, and I think it was jollof rice I bought. I'm showing you the environment of where people sat down to. I felt lonely here, because I didn't know anybody here. Maybe they don't steal anything from me. I'm showing you my view and my going. I stayed close to the window. I was enjoying it, but sun was hammering me, dosha, and I was enjoying myself. It was a journey. Yeah, I enjoyed myself, but it was stressful. My legs, I was having cramps. It was a journey. See, I was even yawning almost. Even I slept tired, so sleep was sleeping me. Yeah, just follow me, enjoy the ride as we go. So I finally arrived at my auntie's place. It was a journey. The loads were plenty, but I arrived. I was exhausted. Thank God for Mercy Journey. Watch out for my next video on my way to FMC Ebute Meta. Thank you for watching. Bye.